Hey guys, I am just getting this HDCP error on my AverMedia for 4K streaming. So here, right, if you see this live gamer ultra video HDCP error, some error is showing. So I'm going to do it in my PS4. So how to do that? So on your PS4 console, right, go to settings, click on settings button. Under settings, right, come for system, come down. Choose the system, press X and come down. Now you can see this enable HDCP. This should be disabled. I should uncheck this box. So uncheck this. Wow, super cool. It's disabled. Now I'm going to verify my system. So now I'm going to uncheck this. See this? It should come in both sides. So see, it's enabled. It's cool, right? This is the way you should fix your issue. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my response. Thank you. Bye.